chang. Located near the border with Cambodia, Chang is the third largest island in Thailand and the biggest in the Chang Marine Park archipelago. It is a mountainous island known for several waterfalls, thriving coral reefs, rainforests, and long, white sandy beaches. In less than 10 years, Chang has become a major tourist destination in Thailand, although still far quieter than islands like Phuket or Koh Samui. White Sand Beach is one of the most popular beaches on the island. Located on the island's northwestern corner, it's the longest beach on Chang.